Eli played one sound effect and it's been downhill ever since.
I want to know what this one is.
He's in an apartment?
He's
Kill
Philly.
him.
About to get 2 kills and then die in a dramatic fashion. Maybe I know it.
Oh!
He did it.
Come on,
How do I sound?
like you just like
My...
shitty.
I think I had too much tomato. Oh.
I have 2 sessions where he's done this.
It's like it's like the keys are spawning in out of the desk every time he hits it.
I don't know how to measure. Who are you? It's been knife Dobbler.
The belch.
You guys suck. Don't hit the scoreboard.
Where am
I
I?
respect it so
dude,
much.
Do it. He's out of ammo. He's out of ammo.